Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Dr. Aftab Imam, immediate past district governor of District 3271, Sindh, Balochistan, Pakistan. And I'm very excited today. DGE Hanif Khan Sahab has established for the first time in the history of Rotary in Pakistan a district secretariat of District 3271, where the governor and his team will have offices, and at the same time there are rooms there for the meetings of Rotary clubs. All those Rotary clubs who do not have a place of meeting, or who do not have a permanent place of meeting, or those who cannot afford to have regular meetings because of the current inflation in Pakistan, can now have meeting at this place, at this secretariat, free of cost, and at the same time refreshments which also be served to them. It's a great initiative, it's a great step. All kudos, all congratulations to DG Hanif Khan. I compliment him and heartily congratulate him for this great initiative. I wish him Godspeed. Thank you very much.